Hello students, today we will read the chapter The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Let's start to read about the author. So here about the author. Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 in Province, Russia. He immigrated with his family to the United States and became a biochemistry professor while pursuing writing. He published his first novel, Pebble in the Sky, in 1950, an immensely prolific author who penned nearly 500 books. He published influential sci fi works like Robot, and the Foundation trilogy, as well as a book in a variety of other genres. So he died in New York City on 6th April 1992. This is about the author. So let's move to the character of this chapter. Here there are different characters. Margie, she is an 11 years old girl who hates school. Here she hates school. She doesn't like to go to school. What happened with her? Then we will read the chapter. Second one, Tommy is a 13 years old boy. Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, mechanical teacher. He teaches to Margie and Tommy. He teaches them different subjects and he works on television screen. Means he is a computer, not a human teacher. He is a computer virtual teacher for Margie and Tommy. So here the character we found. Let's start to move other thing, schools of the future. What is the schools of the future? Here when here we are seeing in the picture learning through computer. In the schools of the future we learn through computer with the help of computer, with the help of electronic devices, just as we are using for our studying, mobiles, computers, and it is possible for us during this present scenario. So learning won't stop. Second one, virtual classroom. As you can see in the picture, before the students a computer screen is presented and it is known as a virtual teacher. Third one, robotic teacher in a form of mechanical teacher. It is a just machine. Fourth one, moving e-textbook. So textbook that is not a real book, as it is in your hand, you are reading with the help of real book, and it is just a book with full of printed papers and words are printed on pages. It is not a real e-textbook moving in the computer screen. So this is about the school of the future. Now next picture that is presented before you, they had a teacher. It was a man who had a teacher and who was a man. Here you can see the picture of Margie and Tommy. Margie and Tommy, when they are reading the book, real book, belongs to their grandfathers, they thought about that, about the students of the grandfather's time, that really they had a great fun when they used to go to school and teachers used to come to teach them. This was really great fun for them, because and it is a very light story, and it is set in future. So futuristic classrooms are presented here in the chapter. So really they had a great fun when they go to school. Introduction about of this story. Isaac Asimov depicts a school system which is independent of human teaching and based on technical advance. The main advantage is the individual teaching, which can train the personal talent. In this system there are no human mistakes, and it is perfect way to give every child. In this system there are no human mistake, technical advance. using of technical advancing technology and this technical instrument just like computer, mechanical teacher. So here the writer depicts that in this system there are no human mistakes and it is a perfect way to give every child the same knowledge and information. But some disadvantages are there. What are the disadvantages? Because human people do not learn like computer. I think learning has to be a kind of fun, otherwise the probability of forgetting is higher. Studies have come to the result that you can learn things better if you have a fun. One thing is very most important thing here it is given. The studies have come to the result that you can learn things better if you have fun while you are learning. So, when you are learning, you should have fun and you should understand the thing that you are learning. So, this is the thing, it is the introduction of the chapter. Let's start to read the chapter. Story. Margie even wrote about it in the night in her diary. The first paragraph on the page headed 17 May 2157. So she wrote here date 17 May 2157. What she wrote here? Today Tommy found a real book. He found a real book. And this which type of real book? Here as I told you, a book with full of printed pages. Words are printed on the papers. So here this is a type of real book as we are usually study that it is in our hand. Our beehive book is a what? It is a real book. So it was a very old, but the real book that Tommy found, it was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on a paper. But this was very amazing for them, where they are very surprised how they can read the book and books and this that and the stories were printed on the paper. It was very surprise for them. But this type of book they had never seen ever before. They had never seen before. So when they saw it first time, they really very surprised. Important amazing lesson. Fun during the class. What about the social development during social distancing? Okay. This chapter is related to the present circumstances, more relevant and easy to understand. So they turn the pages. When they start to turn the pages of the real book, which are yellow and crinkly because this book are very old book. It was awfully funny to read the words that stood instead of moving. So here when they read the books, words, letters on the computer screen, they can move. They can replace the words from one place to another place. But it was very difficult to keep and to change the place that is written printed on the book, and they found that it was stood still. So here it was very surprising for him, this type of book. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it, and it had when they read this. So first time is there was not a differences between the letters and words. Words and letter are the same that they found on the computer screen, and that it is in the real book. Okay. Gee, said Tommy. Tommy was very surprised and told to Margie, what a waste. It's a very waste. This is not useful. It is a waste, kind of waste thing. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Here it shows the real book. The real book, I guess. Our television screen must have had millions books Really, it had. We can read the many different book, unlimited book on our television screen, and just very good, useful for us in today's circumstances. And here Tommy told, I wouldn't throw it away. Here it means television screen, the book, the computer. Same with mine, Margie told. She also liked the book that is on the television screen. She was 11 and she had not seen as many books, telebook as Tommy had. Telebook, the book that is presented on the computer screen. So she said, where did you find it? In my house. She asked the question, where did you find this real book? And the reply, Tommy replied that it was in the attic. It was in the attic top of the cupboard. So here what is about in this book? Here it is written about the school. This book is written about the school. Margie was scornful. She was very upset. She became, because she didn't like the school. She hated school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. What was the reason why does she hate school? The mechanical teacher, here, the teacher, computer teacher, robotic teacher, had been giving her test after test in the geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Means her performance was not going good, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Her mother sent the mechanical teacher, county inspector, for repairing, for checking what's problem with the mechanical teacher. Okay, move to the next paragraph. He was around. Here the writer told about the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and whole box of tool with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie when he came. So he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then he took the teacher apart. Here, teacher is a mechanical teacher. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there was again large, ugly, black with a big screen. Here, what the thing is here? Large, black, ugly with a screen. This is computer mechanical teacher, on which all lessons were shown and questions were asked. Computer screen, and it is a mechanical teacher. So that was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers, and this was there was not problem with the Margie. The problem was with the computer, and this we can say mechanical teacher. It had been repaired afterwards. So here she always had to write them out in a punch code, and they made her learn when she was 6 years old. Means from the beginning, from the starting of her age, she used to study from the computer. And the mechanical teacher calculated marks in no time. So here move to next one. The inspector had a smile after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So inspector, the county inspector who came here for checking, for repairing the mechanical teacher, he smiled. After he was finished and patted Margie's head, he said to her mother, it was not the little girl's fault. It was not the mistake of Margie. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick, means it was too very fast. The geography sector was geared very fast, and those things happened sometime, and I have slowed it. And then after, when he checked, my county inspector, he had slowed this geography sector up to an average 10 years level according to the age of Margi. Okay, right here. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. So here he told to her mother that she was very progressive. Margi was very progressive. Her progress is really very quite satisfactory, and he patted Margi's head again. Margi was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. What she was here hoping? Said because she would not like to study from the mechanical teacher. So she wanted that Countess Spectre would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So that happened with the Tommy's teacher, mechanical teacher, and for him, a month, nearly for a month, that history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" That's the reason that she hated the school, because when teachers test after test and this question papers, all this that given to him, and her progress was not as satisfactory, become worse to worse. So that's the reason was she was very upset and disappointed about the school, and that's why she asked the question to Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? So student, I think all you understood. This is a half part of the chapter, and here the writer tries to present that this chapter is related to the present circumstances, more relevant and easy to understand. How about robot replacing the teacher? Suppose we teacher are not delivering any lecture to student. Suppose robot is delivering a lecture to you, would you feel connected? I think no. I think no, you would not feel connected to the teacher as you are feeling connected to us, a human teacher. So you need a human teacher, not a virtual teacher, because human teacher gives proper teaching. So this is a very good chapter, and here when we read the chapter, we recollect the memory that we used to go to school. A robotic teacher cannot motivate us. Robot will not love, and not a human touch cannot guide us, but human teacher can guide, can make learning enjoyable. I think all you would have understood the chapter. So we continue it in next session. We will read the chapter, the left part. Okay, thank you.